I should say good afternoon now. It's noon, so good afternoon. I am Bishop Dwayne Royster. I'm the Executive Director of the Faith in Action Network. We are a faith-based organizing movement that organizes in 26 states across the country, 13 countries around the world, including in Haiti with our organization Apunde. And we have been working and partnering with organizations like G92, Undivided, SNU, organizations like MCAN, Faith in New York, and others that have been working with the Haitian community here in the United States, fighting for the extension of temporary protected status for our Haitian siblings. Today we've gathered here in front of the Supreme Court because there's a case being heard about whether the TPS for Haitian siblings can be extended in this country. We think it's important. The science say Haiti's not safe. There's no functioning government in place. The measure of our country is not what we do in times of great joy. The measure of our country is what we do when folk are struggling and suffering across the world. Temporary protected status was designed specifically for siblings of ours. And I say siblings because we are all God's children. We are all created in the image and likeness of God. And our Haitian sisters and brothers, our Haitian siblings, do not worship a lesser God. They worship the same God that we do. And they're worthy of dignity and respect because each of them bears the image of God and has a divine spark inside of them. And so we come this day with religious leaders, with national leaders, with folks from Springfield, Ohio, which has been seen as ground zero in this fight. But we should say it's not just Springfield, Ohio, it's Boston, Massachusetts. We can't just say it's Boston, Massachusetts. We have to say it's New York City. We have to say it's Philadelphia. We have to say it's the Haitian community in D.C., in Miami, Florida, and the diaspora that is spread out across the United States of America who are suffering and struggling and living in fear at this particular moment in time. As we gather today to talk to the Supreme Court, we are reminded this one thing, that yes, there are laws, but there's also morality. There are laws, but there is also the right thing to do. You can have an originalist view of the Constitution, you can have an interpretive view of the Constitution, but most of all, what we are appealing to today is that Supreme Court justices to lean on their faith. For those of them that are Christians, to ask the question, what would Jesus do? How would Jesus treat his Haitian children right now? How should we treat our Haitian siblings at this moment in time? And so we're going to begin our time in just a moment with Dr. Carl Ruby, who is the head of G92 in Springfield, Ohio, and Springfield Neighbors United that have been working to support their Haitian neighbors. And then we're going to hear from probably some of the most important people that are going to speak to you today. Impacted Haitian siblings who are going to come and tell the story of their journey, their experiences, and what they're fighting for at this given moment in time. And then we'll come back to a set of religious leaders to talk a little bit more about this moment and about how we as Americans, how the Supreme Court of the United States, how the Congress, and even how the administration needs to show up in this moment to show justice and mercy for those that are struggling deepest in this country right now. So again, I'm Bishop Dwayne Royster, Executive Director of Faith in Action, and I now introduce the Reverend Dr. Carl Ruby.
My name is Carl Ruby, and I pastor a church in a small Midwestern blue-collar city of Springfield, Ohio.